Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Good morning again. Cooking time again. Oops, for soup. Okay. Beef kasi ito eh. Pinaano ko muna, lambot. Okay. Hi. It's done. Done. Curry. Done ng curry. Okay. Set aside ko muna kasi ano ko sa sausage. And this is the soup. Mamaya pakuluin yan bago i-serve. Then lagyan ng last this one. Ayan na. It's done.